Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the updated way to change your voice on Discord using your mobile device. If you've ever wanted to prank your friends or just sound cooler during calls and streams, this guide is for you. And trust me, it's super easy, so stick around till the end. Install VoiceMod Clips. First things first, you'll need an app called VoiceMod Clips. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for VoiceMod Clips, and install the latest version. Once it's installed, open the app, create a profile if prompted, and start exploring the collection of voice and video filters. There are tons of options, from robotic voices to deep, mysterious tones, so you can pick whatever suits your style. Test the filters. Before connecting it to Discord, test the filters inside the app. This way, you'll know exactly how each one sounds and can find the perfect match for your next call or stream. Play around, have fun, and get familiar with the options. Connect to Discord. Now comes the key part. Open Discord on your mobile, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Voice and Video, and here's the important part. Set your input device to VoiceMod. For the output device, choose your headset or preferred speaker. Ready to go, and that's it. Your voice is now altered during calls or streams. You can jump into a server, join a voice chat, and start having fun with your new sound. It's perfect for gaming, pranks, or just spicing up your conversations. So there you have it, the updated method to change your voice on Discord via mobile in just a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an easy tech tip like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.